Everybody else is like all, you know, like the YouTubers, they film on like really good cameras, and I just have a GoPro.
Nah. Yo, we all start somewhere.
Actually,
and the GoPro's, man, it's so small.
Rudnick uses a GoPro.
But you gotta mess with your settings though, because he has like this wide angle where it, like you turn the your whole entire perspective moves, and it like self-centers itself.
That's what I kind of like the GoPro too, because you can have like preset tunes.
Yeah.
You can like have something different.
I think it's got a mega squirt in it.
Yeah, quite. Oh my lord, you know, they actually wrap this. They wrap it in serious one. This is an eBay one, by the way. They actually wrapped it up nice.
eBay, dang, dude.
Dude, she
Hang on, can't see it yet.
Dude, she don't want. Oh, it's carbon fiber? I actually knew that, but still, I'm gonna act like I didn't. Guys, look at that! It's carbon fiber! Dude, this thing is nuts.
That was really clean.
Dang, dude.
That was good, dude.
You want like that? I'm assuming you'd want like, yeah, it would go on like that.
Damn.
Dude, that's gonna look gnarly. I do need to get the 3M tape though, because it didn't come with the. Oh, it did!
No way.
It did! Go
Shout out eBay.
Shout out eBay and
Dang, dude. Yo, your lights are on, by the way.
Awesome. You guys want to put it on real quick?
Okay.
Go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Alright, Mike is putting his spoiler on his V, but if this video gets 500 likes, huge goal, but if it gets 500 likes, I will do a burnout in my Miata. What am I grabbing? Do a burnout in my Miata till I blow the 2 tires in the back. So, do it.
Alright, so lining this thing up, there's a little nipple in the way. Watch the video though, the guy literally just goes like, takes it and just pulled it right out with his fingers. I don't know how he did that. And then he was saying like, yeah, there's gonna be a hole there, but since the spoiler will be covering it, and the water should get in. I mean, some was still probably gonna get in, but
I don't know how he just yanked it out of there.
I have no idea. Yeah, this man's a like the
with
Hulk.
his fingers?
Yeah, he just used his fingers, just ripped it right out. Wow, what a... That dude's like the Hulk. There's no way that is coming out.
The plier fingers, I guess. Yeah, dude.
He didn't do anything from the inside?
He said there was a hose that was connected to it. He took that out off of it first. We might just take a knife and cut off the nipple right there so it sits nicely. Because right now, if you put it on, you can see the little nip cause it to like sit up in the back there. We can't be having that. So we gotta.
So good.
All right, so the other guy took it off with his hands. We had to use vice grips because we're not the Hulk. I don't know how he did that, but he's mad. But now I'm just gonna put some electrical tape over that so that there's no water gets into it, and then all you have to do is put 3M tape on that part. Yo, that actually would look pretty cool on the Mercedes. But I'm just gonna put some electrical tape on it and cover up that hole. And then oh wait, that's not mine. And then put 3M tape on the wing itself and tape it on. It actually fits really nicely. So for an eBay, this thing costed me I think $120 total, like shipping, taxes, everything. So it's not bad, not bad. Yeah, I wish, dude. That's what I want. I want to get somebody that's like,
Hi.
hey guys, look at me.
I'll film for you.
I'll put it on 3. That's what I'm saying. I want to get somebody that's like really good at, like Adam LZ with Divine. How he has somebody that can film and edit for him. Because my editing skills are doo-doo water too.
Look at that, dude. He's literally straight as an arrow. Look at that.
Well,
besides one spot.
it's a little bent, but you won't notice it with it underneath the car, or I mean on the car. This is a pretty easy.
No, let me get cinematic shots.
Oh yeah. I'll put like
cut
rock and roll Slipknot music over this or something.
Slipknot. Cut.
Maybe like a 2001 video game. And I have like
cut. Woo!
Hey, how are you? You ever see that video of the old lady.
Yeah.
That's the funniest.
You got drugs in your garage.
Oh, there's no illegal drugs in my garage.
Oh, yes, there is, and there's evidence of it.
Hello there. Hello, darling.
There's no illegal drugs on my property.
Hello,
Oh, yes, there are.
sweetheart.
Gosh. Oh shit. Oh, I can't show. You can't show that on YouTube.
What, knives?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you can.
AK-66.
POV spit.
Yeah, goddamn. It's so bad. This is very weak 3M tape. It comes right up.
Because it's cold, my dude. You should have hit her with some. Oh, we'll bring it back in and hit her with the heat gun.
Oh, she'll stick. She'll stick.
All right, last part is this little right there, and then you're all set.
Yo, look at it. We're all squatted up. I got my lemon peppers.
Yeah.
What are those? The brand new. Oh, forget. Oh, lemon peppers.
Ones, dude.
Those.
You said a bad word.
And the freaking.
There you go.
What are those? Gucci.
Those are no.
Giovanni?
These are my Louis Vuitton.
You said this
Soulja
before.
Boy
They're,
collab.
no, they're the babies or something.
Yeah, they are. The baby stompas. The baby
The
wears.
baby lemon
The baby
steppers.
wears these every wedding he goes to. They're actually signed by him on the soles, but you can't see them right now.
The baby steppers.
That looks nice.
Yeah, dude. Let's get this puppy in the garage.
Yeah.
Dude, I feel like we should hit it with the heat gun while it's on the car, too. Is that nuts?
Well, we could, but how are we gonna? It's not a battery operated one.
Yeah, I know.
No, it's not.
We could get. I don't know.
Dude, I feel like it's just scary putting this on.
It is
A lot of
good.
people
You
don't
could just
use
stop.
this and get real 3M tape, but I like what? Come on.
I feel like
Yeah,
that's
you
gonna
can.
work fine. We just have to make sure they clean the window and everything.
Yeah.
obviously.
All right.
All right, and we put all the 3M tape on here, but it's cold out here in New England, so we're just gonna apply it with some heat so that the 3M tape sticks better, because this is not that good 3M tape. You really shouldn't be using this at all. If this flies off though, it's only 120 bucks. It's not that big a deal. I don't think it will. It might under very cold circumstances, and if we're not safe. I really wish we could get it somehow to put some heat on the actual window itself of the car.
We could. We'll figure it out. I might have a torch. Fucking blast it real quick.
Let's go, baby! New mods, new mods, new mods. Alright, now on to the last step. Applying the puppy. Finally. Finally, the moment I've been waiting for. I cut my finger yesterday, clipping my finger. This man cut his finger using like a saw. And I'm sitting here and I cut my finger using fingernail clippers.
You did?
Yeah. There it is. She is on there. Hopefully it sticks. I mean, it feels pretty secure on there. I don't want to pull up on it at all, obviously. But it feels pretty nice. There's a little like chip in it right here, but that came with it, so it wasn't our fault. It's kind of sad, but who cares? I mean, it's a very, like, you're not going to notice. Like, on camera, I could show you guys, like, on this side, it's lined up almost perfectly. But then on this side, it's got a little bit of room, but you're only going to notice that if I should tell you, like, about it. It looks awesome. I think it looks great. But that is the end of this very short video today. Literally just a little Z mod. So stoked with it. Another Z mod is coming soon. If you guys enjoyed, like the video, comment another video you guys want to see, and subscribe for more. Follow Zach at Antiyada and follow Bailey at Bailey Schuster. And Das Madonna. Have a nice night.